Hello fellow YouTubers. We're going to continue on with this RB build. I've been collecting parts. As you guys all know, RBs are expensive. We got new CP pistons, eagle rods, ARP, head bolts, ACL, crank, and rod bearings, a clear timing cover, new seals, new gaskets, new crank with extended crank collar. We are redoing the head over here, and look at these, brand new. So what we're going to do today is we're going to show you how to put the main bearings in, put the crank in, measure the gap, and we'll go from there. So cleaned everything up, got the bearings out, opened them up. This is how they come. You get one in a clear, and one's in yellow. Now I was looking at them, and these ones all have the oil holes, so I'm guessing these are the bottom bearings, those are the top. We're going to open them up, set them in, and then we'll bring the crank up. We'll put the crank in, we'll put the top bearings on, do all that dry with, this is what we use here, this plastic gauge. So basically this one has the extra ring around it. Basically you just line up the groove and they snap down. You just make sure they're level. So now the bottoms are in, we'll put the crank in. Okay, so we set the crank in there. Turns nice. There's the extended crank collar. Nice and wide. Now we'll put the tops in the cradle. Tops go in the same way as the bottoms. And we will flip this and put it on top of there, but before that we'll put some plastic gauge. You rip off little chunks and you lay them across where the bearings go. Lay it across there on each one, and then you torque them down the proper pattern, specs. You take them off, and then you use these little gauges here to measure your clearance, to make sure that we're all in spec here. Okay, so we torqued everything down, checked it. Sorry I didn't take a video, I scraped it off. Anyways, we got this. It's Tome assembly paste. I don't know if you guys ever used it. I'm going to try it. We took everything out. Now we're going to coat up all the bearings, and we'll show you reassembling.